First one. Yeah.
Okay.
Then are you born and brought up in Maharashtra or are you from different state within India?
No, no, I'm from Maharashtra.
Wow. Then do you wanna change your profession in future or do you like that profession?
No, I wanted to work for government.
Okay. Which type of job do you?
Or railway.
Railway
Railway.
department, central government job, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Have you appeared? Have you appeared in
yeah,
railway exam?
yeah. Yes, I filled the form.
Okay, advance all the best. As soon as possible, you get your destination where you want to reach, and you crack that job and you succeed that
Yeah,
exam.
if I selected, I will come to meet you
Of course,
by
definitely.
railway.
Advance all the best. You can crack and you can succeed, and you join as a miss higher authority in railway department.
Thanks for your
Engineer.
blessing. I love it. You're
Okay.
also caring person.
I am talking with you, then definitely I have to appreciate you. I have to motivate you, right? Sometimes motivation also required because sometimes people, student, they get frustration, right? They lose their confidence, they lose their motivation. They always worry about future. That's why motivation, consistency required, right? Then how long have you been joined this platform? How long?
Since the 6 months.
6 months. Okay, do you wanna enhance your English speaking or do you wanna just interact with language learner?
No, I know very English.
Yeah, you are
There is
right.
no need to
Okay.
learn.
You just interact with language learner, you connect with them, you talk with them, you want to know about their professional life, personal life, their food, their culture, their everything, right?
Yeah,
Okay, that's good. Then apart from this platform, do you use different platform to connect with the stranger?
yeah, I use Telegram.
Telegram. Okay, that is a personal. That is not a that kind of free platform, right? Like a WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Do
yeah,
you do do
yeah.
do you create any kind of group in Telegram?
No, I don't create it.
Okay, that is your personal, right? You connect with the people.
Mm,
Okay, that's good.
yeah,
That's good. Then, if you meet any co-learner, do you take any topic to discuss or do you talk with them in casual conversation?
casual conversation.
Yeah, you are right. That is a record, right? Sometime everyone doesn't want to take any topic to discuss, right? That is a
Yeah,
different part.
I like to get close to someone and understand them.
Right, right. Because you want to know about that person mindset, right? You want to read people mindset. What kind of are
Yeah,
they, right? And you want to
yes,
interact with them because if you talk with them, then you can evaluate what are they, right? What type of are they or what kind of that person mindset, right? If you don't talk
yeah,
with them, how can you evaluate people mindset? Because if you want to read
yes.
people mind, right?
Mm.
And while
Are you
communicating with
open-minded or
anyone,
closed-minded?
pardon.
Are you open-minded or closed-minded?
Okay, do you want to know about am I introvert or extrovert or ambivert, right?
No, open-minded or closed-minded?
Oh, what is the definition of open-minded or closed-minded? What?
Means talking freely, all this thing. Or
That's why I'm
closed-minded means like,
telling about extrovert, introvert.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
open-minded means extrovert because you don't think about who tells me something, right? They if they feel to talk with someone, they talk any kind of topic in front of public, in front of
Yeah,
people, and they easily make friendship with that person, right? They
yeah.
don't.
I'm extrovert. What about you?
Okay, I'm not an extrovert, I am ambivert equally. Sometimes it depend upon person to person. If I know that person closely, then I want to discuss any kind of topic. If I don't know any person, then I don't want to discuss any topic. Means like a different
Okay, okay.
topic. Yep. Then
Mhm.
could you repeat once again?
Yeah, okay, okay. I just said.
Yeah, that kind of, because we cannot know, because right now I don't know where you are, right? Are you at your office, or are you outside, or are
No,
you in isolate place, or are you in at your home? I don't know you. Then how can I?
I taken holidays for now 3 weeks. I'm in
Okay,
my room.
okay. How many days have you got on holiday?
Uh, till the Ashtami, till the Navratri, I'm in home.
Okay. Then do you celebrate at your home,
Yeah,
or do
Durga
you go
Puja.
to
Yeah,
temple to
yes, yes,
celebrate?
yes, yes.
Okay, that's good. And any guest come at your home?
Yeah, not a guest, but the family members are celebrating.
Okay, you people together celebrate and you go outside to fun
The
or
in a
something.
wholesale is the area of my people are celebrating the
Hmm.
Pandal and the all this thing.
Right, right. Because Dasahara is a famous festival in India, right? All state they celebrate on their way, and they celebrate in a different way, right? But it takes 9 days, right? 10 days, you can say. Dasmi is a 10 days, right?
Yeah, but yeah, 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 yes, yes.
People they go outside, they fun, they
Yeah,
see.
I will extend my 2 days also. There is no issue at all.
Right, because it is not enough to celebrate the Sahara, right? It
Yeah,
you
that's the reason I
require
was there.
2 days extra. Definitely, you send your casual leave CL application of your
Yeah,
boss, and you take
are you
permission.
teacher?
Pardon?
Are you teacher?
No, I'm not a teacher. Why you feel this kind of?
Because your English is good while talking with me.
Oh my goodness, really? I can speak better
Yeah,
English. Okay, thank
yeah,
you.
you're continuously talking in English. That's good.
Yeah, I'm a language learner, then try to speak better English like you, but I can speak 5%, I require 95%. It is not easy task, right? Because no one can get overnight, it will take times. Only speaking part is
Yes.
a different language is a different, communication is a different, right? Language
Yeah.
is a language, anyone can speak, anyone can learn, right? It is a learnable skill. It doesn't require
That's
any
why I
degree
asked
for
you, are you a
learning.
teacher?
No, I'm not a teacher, but I'm a language learner. I want to learn, and I want to improve my language. I'm not a teacher.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
That's great.
thank you. Then you know how much time takes language, right? No one can tell. No one can tell it
Yeah, yeah.
take 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. Who are good speakers, still they are doing hard work, still they are try to improve their language, right? And it is
Yeah.
language is a ocean, knowledge is a ocean, right? No one can grab all ocean knowledge. It will take time, and it is slowly,
Mm.
gradually people they can learn according to their situation and time. Some are good learner, they can quickly learn within short periods. Some are slow learner, they will take time to learn any language, right? Then it depend upon person to person. How much time do you invest with language, and how much time do you invest with your hard work? It depend upon person to person. Then it depends how much time required take time to enhance language. Yeah.
Okay. Are you married?
Of course, definitely. Why not? Part of India. What about you? My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha before? Okay. Hmm. Then which state do you belong to? Which state? Okay, you are my neighbor state, right? No, I'm not asking have you heard about Odisha. I told you have you been Odisha? आप आए थे? Okay, you listen carefully. After that, you reply. Right? I never asked you, have you heard about Odisha? I asked you, have you been Odisha before? I told you. I don't do anything. What about you? Are you working or are you a student? Okay, you are doing both, earning and learning, right? Okay, what's your qualification? I don't do anything. I told you I don't do anything. I am unemployed. मैं बेकार हूँ. But I want to enhance my English. I completed my graduation. What about you? Oh my goodness. You have big degree on your hands, right? Because you completed your PG, right? Okay. Which department have you completed your graduation? I mean to say PG. Mhm. Oh my goodness. Then which department have you connected with right now in working? Right now you told you are working in private company, but which type of company? Okay. What kind of makeup do you sell? I told you I don't do anything. I'm a language learner. After that, I don't do anything. After completing my graduation, right now I am focusing language, how to speak English like you.